Want to make your own light show? Let's get started with an Arduino LED project. First things first, gather your materials. An Arduino board, an LED, a resistor, and some jumper wires. Got them? Great. Step 1. Connect your LED. The longer leg, the anode, goes into pin 13. The shorter leg, the cathode, into the GND pin. Next, grab your resistor. Connect one end to the cathode leg of your LED and the other to the GND pin. This prevents your LED from burning out. Now plug in your Arduino to your computer using a USB cable. Open the Arduino IDE and enter the blink example code. This code tells the LED to turn on and off. Upload the code and watch the magic happen. Your LED should be blinking. If not, double check your connections. Congrats, you've just completed your first Arduino LED project. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and light up your world. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting Arduino projects. See you next time. In this chapter, we will dive deeper into the advanced features of building an LED circuit with Arduino. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's take it up a notch. Ever wondered how to control multiple LEDs with your Arduino? Let's explore that. First, gather more LEDs and resistors. Connect each LED to different digital pins on your Arduino. For instance, pin 8, pin 9, and pin 10. Don't forget to connect the cathode legs to the GND pin through resistors. Now let's modify the code. In the Arduino IDE, create variables for each LED pin. In the setup function, set each pin as an output. In the loop function, you can create a sequence to turn each LED on and off in a pattern. This is just the beginning. You can create stunning light shows by adjusting the timing and patterns. Experiment with different colors and sequences. The possibilities are endless. Keep pushing your boundaries and exploring new horizons with Arduino. Don't forget to subscribe for more advanced Arduino tutorials. See you next time.